Now let's talk about the core web vitals. So core web vital is actually very important ranking factor for your website, because not only from the Google's perspective, but also from the generative engine optimization, the AEO perspective as well, because AI crawlers also love if your pages load fast, but don't like it when it doesn't load that fast as per their requirements. Because if your pages doesn't load quickly because end user want quick answer, so this is where you need to cook in this core web vitals kitchen. And here you should select your GSA property and connect it from the property section and start doing the top pages. So for default it will use top pages because that's what matters, right? Not the other way around. But if you want to do a custom URLs, you can simply go here and grab all the reports around here. So if you want to use top pages related to your properties here, it will only get the number of top pages from your website and the type of device, for example, the desktop and mobile, and how many pages. The first top 5 pages or 100,000, whatever you like. You can simply start run that batch. And here is the recent orders you will find the complete list here. So just click on the view, and from the view you will find the scores from the performance perspective, accessibility, best practices, and SEO, which is stand around the page speed inside. So you must be wondering why I need to get your tool, because it's available for free from the page speed insights. Because you do that in bulk, you can simply do all your websites in one go. So here is the opportunities which I want to have is the initial server time response was short, which is great. And there's a diagnostics. So this is where I want my site to improve. So the background information does not have sufficient contrast ratio, and it will find the top asset that is reflecting that. And you can simply ask Rocket button to ask AI how you can rectify this particular. And there you go. So there's a summary of AI summary which will suggest you the fixes. First is identify the current heading hierarchy and fix the specific offending heading, ensure repeated UI component, and the list goes on. So go ahead and apply that on your website. So this is a very quickest way to fix your code web. So give it a go and see and improve your website. As you can see, there's a good performing pages, and there's also room for improvement as well. So that's it for Core Web Vital.